So property taxes are pretty much very self-explanatory, but the thing about property taxes that I really want you to make sure you understand is that you really need to check with the tax assessor's office in your jurisdiction of wherever you're buying the property in. Okay, you need to figure out if the property is in a disclosure state or a non-disclosure state. Okay, so non-disclosure states are Alaska, Idaho, Indiana, Kansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Missouri, Montana, New Mexico, North Dakota, South Dakota, Texas, Utah, and Wyoming. Now in these states, these non-disclosure states, the tax assessor is going to base your taxes on the new purchase price. All right, so keep this in mind. Now, what does this mean? Well, if your current owner bought this property 10 years ago for $1 million, he's paying taxes on that $1 million, right? Now, you come along and you want to purchase this property for $5 million, okay? Well, guess what? You're going to be taxed on that $5 million, but your offering memorandum is going to show taxes based off of the $1 million the current owner is paying. Okay, so you need to really keep this in mind and make sure you check whether your state is a disclosure state or a non-disclosure state. For disclosure states, I would estimate a 3% increase on what the current owner is paying in taxes. All right, but for non-disclosure states, you really need to make sure you check with the tax assessor's office. Call them up and ask them, I'm looking to buy this property for X amount. What do I need to expect in taxes going forward?